Good morning, children.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you mute your audio and
Morning. Good morning, ma'am.
mute your audio and sit, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Children, shall we start the class? We are going to begin our new concept, that is concept 2.2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In this chapter, we are studying about the wildlife, the animals, okay, animals and the vegetation, means the plants and the trees in the different climatic zones. Okay, so remember which are the three climatic zones we already see how studied.
Yes, ma'am.
Torrid zone, temperate zone, and the frigid zone. Okay, and torrid zone, it is very hot.
Ma'am, can you say a little bit louder? I can't hear you.
See, children, what about others?
It's okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. For us also, disturbance.
Yeah, first of all, you all mute your audio and sit. Okay, then listen to me. So torrid zone, we know that the regions, those who are close to the torrid zone, is receiving the vertical rays of the sun. Receiving the vertical rays of the sun. So that places experiences very hot climate. Okay, and we know that
Ma'am, your sound is very low, ma'am.
sound is very low.
No, ma'am, no. It's okay.
Okay,
It's
okay,
okay,
children.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So they are experiencing the vertical rays of the sun. So the climate of the torrid zone, it is very hot. Okay, and there is enough sunlight, means plenty of sunlight and heavy rainfall in torrid zone. Okay, so naturally, there are enough means variety, means dense forest can be seen. Thick forest can be seen in the torrid zone. Okay, and if there is thick forest, okay, it will give chances for a variety of animals to live in that thick forest. Okay, so the torrid zone, in torrid zone, there are animals, okay, variety of animals can be seen and variety of plants and the trees. Okay, is it clear, children? The torrid zone, as they receive the vertical rays of the sun, okay, there are enough rainfall, okay, the regions are getting enough rainfall and also plenty of sunlight. Okay, so there was thick forest, there is thick forest in the torrid zone areas, and also variety of animals can be seen in the torrid zone. Is it clear, children, why we can see variety of animals and variety of plants and the trees in the torrid zone? Is it clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, because it receives the vertical rays of the sun, so enough sunlight and
Sunlight
yes,
and rainfall.
Okay, so dense forest can be seen in this region. Let me share the screen, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Share screen sharing. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me share the screen, children.
Can I off my video because here net is very low? Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, can I off my video because here net is very slow?
Let me open it. Let me open it. Okay, children. Can you see the slide over here on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The torrid zone forest. See, children, the torrid zone receive plenty of sunlight and means rainfall. Okay, plenty of sunlight and rainfall. So dense forest can be seen. Dense forest means that thick forest. Okay,
Trees and all.
thick forest can be seen in the torrid zone. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
thick forest
Okay,
can be seen on the torrid zone.
Torrid zone.
And a variety of animals can be seen in this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, ask me.
What is torrid?
See,
It's
Angelina, are you there in the last few classes?
Bye, ma'am. My net was low.
No. This is not an excuse, dear. Can
Ma'am
anyone
said
of you
so
can
many
help
times.
her? See, children, can anyone of you can help her?
Yes, ma'am, Shreya.
Help her, Shreya, because I don't want to repeat the same thing again.
Yes,
and
ma'am,
again.
Angelina.
I don't know how many times.
About the torrid zone
It's
temperature.
very hot.
Yeah, the
Very
atmosphere
hot.
is very hot.
Torrid zone. In forest also, ma'am. Torrid zone is green. Forest will be thick forest.
Ma'am said so many times in the class.
Yeah, wait. This we have discussed everything. Okay, children. So the dense forest can be seen on the torrid zone. Okay, and see, children. Okay, and we will study about the vegetation. Okay, vegetation means, you know, the plants and the trees. Okay, and
trees.
many dense forests grow in the torrid zone. I have told you why there is dense
Yes, ma'am.
seen in
ma'am.
the
Dense
torrid
forest.
zone. The forests are home to a variety of trees such as rubber. So the
Ma'am.
main trees.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
The main, yes.
what is called dense?
What is?
Called dense.
It's not clear, Angelina. Can you say louder?
Dense.
What is called
Ma'am.
dense, ma'am?
Forest.
Dense
Thick forest. Okay, dense means thickly. That means the trees, thickly it is there in
Why?
the torrid zone
Why?
because of the availability of water and
Sunlight.
sunlight. Okay, dense means thick.
Vegetation,
Okay, so
rubber
children,
trees and
the main trees found in the torrid zone it is
vegetation.
Rubber trees are very thick, right, ma'am? Rubber
yes,
trees.
wait.
Man, mahogany tree also.
Rubber, bamboo, and mahogany. Okay,
Ma'am,
main trees.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, which one is mahogany tree?
Mahogany
I'm
tree
hearing
means,
this word one more.
big thing
First
will
time.
falling.
Yes.
Fall.
So children,
And
the main trees found in the torrid zone are rubber,
bamboo
and mahogany.
mahogany tree.
Ma'am, sal also, right? Sal.
Yes, sal also.
Ma'am, I'm hearing these
You
words
need
first
to
time.
study by heart, okay? Mahogany.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
mahogany and sal I'm hearing first time only. Ma'am,
Mahogany,
what
ma'am,
are
you already
these?
know. Mahogany already know. Which we make furniture. Here, home, my home.
Listen
is
to
so
me.
much.
Many dense forest can grow, means it is can be seen in the torrid zone. Okay, and it is a home to a variety of trees. Okay, variety of trees can be seen in the torrid zone, and some of the examples are given as rubber, bamboo, mahogany, and sal. Okay, and the trees that grow in the in the forest of the torrid zone have are tall.
They are
Have you
they-
seen this rubber trees? I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
most of you
Yes.
have seen
Yes,
rubber
ma'am.
trees.
In here.
What
When I
about
go
bamboo,
traveling. Bamboo. Yes.
mahogany?
In
All these
Yes,
are
ma'am. Bamboo is
yeah, near
yes, ma'am. Bamboo.
okay.
In
So these
forest.
all trees are very tall.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, tall and broad leaves. What do you mean by broad leaves?
Flat, right? Flat leaf.
Broad means
Flat.
spreading leaves.
Yeah. Okay, very big leaves, broad leaves, and they do not completely shed their leaves during any time of the year. Means that the leaves, they do not shed their leaves. It's not falling
Ma'am,
down.
like evergreen forest.
Like evergreen forest. Okay, see children, the trees, the main trees found in the torrid zone, that is rubber, bamboo, mahogany, any two name you have to study by heart. Okay, so children, rubber, bamboo, mahogany, sal, all these are the examples for the trees that grows in torrid zone.
Mahogany
Okay,
tree.
and the peculiarity or the important features of this trees, okay, they are tall, very big trees, okay, very tall and broad leaves.
They have
All
broad leaves.
these
And
trees,
then they do
okay,
not
has very
complete
broad leaves,
shed their
very
leaves
big
during
leaves.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then they do not shed their leaves
shed the leaves.
during any of the
Yeah.
season.
Yeah.
Friend. So, torrid zone. Angelina, is it clear now? What do you mean by torrid? Tell me. Angelina, are you there?
Ma'am, which Angelina, ma'am?
She's not here.
Ma'am, is it Angelina Martin?
Angelina
I don't
Rose,
know.
right, ma'am?
Who asked me the doubt? I don't know.
Rose.
Ma'am.
Angelina Rose.
Rose.
Angelina Rose. Is she there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, she's mute and sitting.
Tell me, Angelina Rose. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Torrid. What is the term torrid means?
It is too hot.
Too hot. Okay, the term torrid means too hot.
hot.
The region close to the equator. Okay, it is referred as torrid zone. Okay, so
Vertical
that
rays,
means
they
that
get-
the places in
Near to
torrid
the
zone
torrid zone,
experiences
see
very
very
high
hot.
temperature, very hot. Okay, the temperature is
Extreme
very
hot.
hot in the torrid zone areas. Okay,
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
it is receiving plenty of sunlight and rainfall. We can see dense forest. Okay, thick forest can be seen in the torrid zone. Okay, and the main trees can be seen in the torrid, that is rubber,
And
bamboo,
mahogany,
mahogany, and sal.
Sal.
Okay, and the peculiarity of this
They are
trees,
very
okay,
hot.
the trees in the
They
torrid
are
zone,
very
it is
tall.
very tall. The trees, the
Tall
most of
and
the
they
trees
have
found
broad
in the
leaves.
torrid zone, it is
And
very
they do not
tall.
complete
Okay,
during any time
it
of
has
the year.
broad
In any time of the
leaves.
year.
Trees
And
have
they do not
broad.
Ma'am, all are shouting, ma'am.
shed their leaves during
Yes.
any time of the year.
All are shouting with you.
Mm.
All are reading with
Mute your audio, children. Okay. Okay, sir. And they do not shed their leaves. Their leaves, they do not shed down during any of the season. Okay, these are the peculiarity of the plants or the trees and the or vegetation.
vegetation.
Torrid zone. Vegetation, I have told you the meaning of vegetation, plants and the trees.
Plants and trees.
Yeah. Okay.
Plants and trees.
Wildlife. What do you mean by wildlife?
Wildlife means
Animals.
things, forest,
Animals.
wildlife, forest.
Bird.
Dog
Forest.
Animal,
and
bird.
Yes.
Birds,
Then
animals.
yeah.
wildlife. Okay. See, children. Numerous animals. I have told you, if there is dense forest,
So many.
if it is there, what will happen? It will be a home to a variety of animals also. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Variety
Yes,
of
ma'am.
animals
Yes, ma'am.
can be seen
Yes,
in
and
the
there will be
tourists.
colorful
Okay, so
birds
the
such
main
as
means there are some animals. We can
Poison
found some
arrow
animals in the torrid zone. Colorful birds such as toucans. Have you heard about
toucan.
toucan?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
this
ma'am.
way,
Yes, ma'am.
Toucan.
It's very beautiful and also
Very
we are going
yellow,
there.
black
I
colors.
think one of the reasons
Poison arrow frog also,
is
ma'am.
it
It is also there.
no, it's not toucan. Toucan and
Cow.
Arrow frog.
macaw.
Poison arrow frog.
Poison arrow frog.
Macaw.
If we are going there, it will be very beautiful, right? Over the forest.
Being water and all. Poison.
Continue.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
poison arrow frog. Poison.
Yes.
It is poison.
And animals such as elephant, sloth.
Ma'am, what's the sloth?
Same like a elephant, one animal it is, sloth. I will show the picture
Okay.
tomorrow. Okay, next class.
Ma'am, it is elephant or elephant.
Sloth, yes. Elephant,
Sloth.
sloth, and
Sloth,
poison
I
arrow
heard
frog.
that word, but I didn't saw animal.
I think
That's
this picture is there in your text.
Yes, ma'am. This all are
No, ma'am.
poison arrow frogs.
No.
But
Poison arrow
No,
frog.
ma'am.
It is not there in the text.
Ma'am, what
poison
is
arrow frog is
toucan?
there.
That's there.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
there.
That's there.
Poison arrow frog.
Toucan also there.
Ma'am, what is toucan?
Toucan, it is a bird. Toucan. It's a
Ma'am,
bird.
the big beak is there now.
Okay.
They have
Just to do one thing.
Then the sloth, then
Okay,
toucan, macaw.
Okay,
Thank
so,
you, ma'am.
let me, children, tell me the plants, which all plants, the vegetation of
rubber trees.
torrid zone.
Rubber
trees.
Bamboo,
Mahogany
mahogany, bamboo, mahogany,
Rubber,
Ma'am, can I say?
tall, and bamboo. Okay, these are the trees, common trees that we can found in the torrid zone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then which are the birds can be seen on the torrid zone?
Toucan.
Toucan and macaw. Okay, toucan with one bird and macaw also very colorful and beautiful. Okay.
Ma'am, can lions and all live in torrid zone?
Can be seen in the torrid zone.
Excuse me, ma'am. Someone is asking one doubt.
Can lions live in torrid zone?
Can
Lion.
you repeat?
Lions.
Lions, can lions live in torrid zone?
Yeah, lions also there. Yes, torrid zone. Yes,
And torrid zones means
but the
forest also.
Someone is speaking Malayalam.
okay, children, and the animals.
Sloth.
Tell me the name of the animals can be seen in the torrid zone.
Elephant, sloth, elephant,
Poison arrow frog, sloth,
poison arrow frog,
elephant.
elephant,
Okay,
lion,
yes, all these animals can be found in the torrid zone. Children, it's the time to wind up our class. Next day we will move on to the
2 more
next
minutes,
zone.
ma'am.
Animals and the different animals and the birds can be seen.
Thank you, ma'am.
And children, main trees, that is sal, mahogany, rubber, and bamboo.
Bamboo.
The speciality of this the plants in the torrid zone, they have big,
Tall.
broad leaves.
They are
They are
tall.
very tall. They will not shed their leaves in any of the seasons.
Any of this year.
Okay, children,
Okay,
study
ma'am.
well and come for the
It was a
next
wonderful
class.
section, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you for this.